Dragging in a replacement clip. You can drag a new shot onto a sequence clip you'd like to replace. This is called a replace edit. Let's try it. Open the 05 replace clip sequence. Play the sequence. On the video 2 track, clips 2 and 3 are actually the same shot 4 clip repeated. The clip has motion keyframes applied to make it spin onto the screen and spin off again. You will learn how to create these kinds of animation effects in Lesson 9, Putting Clips in Motion. Let's replace the first instance of the clip, shot 4. You don't want to have to recreate the effects and animation, as these are already set perfectly. This is an ideal scenario for replacing a sequence clip. From the Clips to Load bin, drag the boat replacement clip straight from the project panel over the first instance of the shot 4 clip in the sequence, but don't release it yet. You don't need to position the pointer precisely, just make sure it's over the clip you want to replace. The clip is longer than the existing clip that you intend to replace. Press and hold the Option key on Mac or Alt on Windows. While you're holding this modifier key, the replacement clip snaps to fit the length of the clip it is replacing. Just enough of the new clip will be used to replace the existing clip in the sequence. Release the clip while still holding the modifier key to replace the existing clip. Play the sequence. All the picture-in-picture clips have the same effect applied. The new clip inherits the settings and effects from the clip it replaced. This is a quick and easy way to try different shots in a sequence.